Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a Jamaican boy who dared to fly planes. Today, he's a captain for American Airlines. Romardo Lyons has his story.
Attention viewers, a young Brian Lee during a summer internship with American Airlines in 2012. 12 years later, him flying for the same airline, this time as a captain. This was his lifelong aspiration. As a boy, he'd look up in the sky at this and yearn for adult years. Today, this is his view most days, a beautiful reminder that he has boarded a first-class flight to his dreams, carrying passengers all over the world.
It's an incredible feeling. Every day I wake up and go to work, it's not work. It's just doing something that I love to do, and it's just makes it more special that they pay me to do it.
His entire family was born and raised in Jamaica. He visited his grandmother in Montego Bay, St. James every summer, but one trip left a lasting impression.
I was getting off the airplane and I stopped at the flight deck door, and at that very moment the captain turned around and saw that I was interested. So he invited me up to the flight deck, and he sat me down in the seat and had me touch all the buttons and knobs and stuff, and from that point, that was it.
Living the dream is even sweeter when he remembers the financial turbulence that made getting there hectic.
I didn't have it growing up. My parents didn't have it growing up. I took out a lot of loans and had to pay them back. Finally just paid them back 2 years ago. But where there is a will, there is a way.
Sounds like something his mom would say. Speaking of that, imagine having your mother as a passenger.
My mother is in 17A. And 17E.
And on that same flight, your mother-in-law as well.
Bonus mom. Sorry, mother-in-law.
There you go. You got it now.
17F.
It's like a Christmas dinner on wings.
I love you, Mom. Thanks for everything you've done to us.
He says it was all a surprise.
She didn't know I was going to be actually operating the flight. So she was going to come down to Miami and visit me. So I bought her a ticket. And then after I bought her the ticket, I actually picked up the flight to actually work. So I surprised her in the terminal. And she was so surprised. She almost had a heart attack.
Already a captain, what else could possibly be on the horizon?
When you're in a corporation like this, there's a whole lot of different avenues and opportunities that you can find yourself in. And I'm gonna fly the line for now and be a captain for now, but the door is always open for my future.
With your ray of hope, I'm Romardo Lyons.